Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account in the Jodel application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And if you scroll down, you will see the delete account button, so just click on that. And before you delete it, you can add why you decided to delete it, so you can just click on that and then click on the delete account button, and then again click on the delete one to confirm it. And yes, so your account is now deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.